Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Athena using AWS SSO and temporary tokens. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon Athena service. Identify the region where your Athena resources are located. Next, ensure that you have AWS single sign-on set up within your AWS organization. Access the AWS SSO console from the Services menu. If you haven't already, create an SSO application for your Athena resources. Select a name for your application that clearly identifies its purpose. Add required attributes for the application that Athena will recognize. Assign the application to the appropriate users or groups in your organization. Proceed to configure a permission set for the Athena app. Ensure the permission set has the necessary IAM policies attached for Athena access. Now, open your terminal or command prompt to set up the authentication process. Install the AWS CLI if you haven't done so already. Configure your AWS CLI with the command AWS configure SSO. Follow the prompts to enter your SSO start URL and region. Authenticate with your SSO credentials when prompted. Select the AWS account associated with your Athena application. After successful authentication, you will receive temporary credentials. These temporary credentials will include an access key, secret key, and session token. Store these credentials securely, as they will be active for a limited time. Now, to use the temporary tokens with Athena, open your AWS CLI again. Set the temporary credentials with the command AWS configure set. Input the access key, secret key, and session token as prompted. After setting the credentials, you are ready to perform queries in Amazon Athena. Begin by writing your SQL queries in your desired format. Execute your queries using the command AWS Athena start query execution. Be sure to specify the appropriate query string and output location. Monitor the status of your query to ensure it completes successfully. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.